Hi everyone, my name is Nam Vo, and I'm back with Iconic London to show you the Glow Down. And today we're going to talk about Prep, Set, and Glow. So I use this throughout the day for many different reasons. When I wake up, when I touch up, and then of course to keep things really sexy and set everything in place at night. So please stay tuned. Hi dumplings, I just woke up. My face feels a little bit tired, so I'm going to spray some of this all over my face, wake up my face, my neck, don't forget the chest. And look at the glow that it gives to my skin. I don't know if I'm gonna wear makeup today. I might just sit around at home, I'm not sure, but it's a great way to just wake up your skin. Okay, so this is my everyday makeup, but of course I wanna make it extra glowy, and I also wanna set it. So I'm gonna use the spray again. Do not forget the neck and the chest. We wanna be glowy there too. All over the face. Feels so hydrating, but look at that veil of glowy, glassy moisture. This is my nighttime, evening mood change. And of course, once again, my makeup looks the way I want it to look, but I want to add that little something something. And I also want to set my makeup for the night. So I'm going to spray again and again the neck, the décolletage, of course the face. Look at that glow.